Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Xbox Series and PS5. From the Xbox home, go to Microsoft Edge or go to My Games and Apps. From the apps, go to Microsoft Edge. Now go to roblox.com website. Then sign in into your account. Now from the another tab, search for create.roblox.com. Now click on top left three bars. Then click on creations. Now click on your creation. Now click on top left three bars. Then go to monetization products and click on passes. Now click on create a pass. Change the logo if you want to change by clicking on change. Then add the name for Game Pass and enter the description. Now click on create pass. Now click on your pass. Now click on top left three bars. Now click on sales. Then turn on the toggle of item for sale. Now enter the amount. Then click on save changes. Now go to Roblox game. Now go to unclaim the boots. Now press and hold the X. By following the steps, you can make a Game Pass in PLS Donate on Xbox Series.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.